Hello everyone, I'm Arman Hossain, currently working as a software engineer at Riseup Labs. Today I will talk about ReactNative. Before going to ReactNative, let me explain what is actually ReactNative. So ReactNative is a cross-platform mobile application development framework. So what is cross-platform mobile application development framework? So let me explain. With cross-platform mobile application development frameworks, developers can build applications for multiple platforms with same code base. That means the companies can develop applications faster and cheaper. Some of the most popular cross-platform mobile application development tools are ReactNative, Flutter, Xamarin, NativeScript, and few others. Today we will talk a little about ReactNative. So ReactNative was initially developed by Facebook and it was released on March 2015. As of today, there are more than 90,000 GitHub stars and more than 2,000 direct contributors for the project on GitHub. So, who's using ReactNative? Some of the top businesses that use ReactNative are Facebook. Actually, they invented it. So, they basically developed it for their own application. Some of the top businesses that use ReactNative are Facebook, Instagram, Bloomberg, Uber Eats, Airbnb, and many more. Some benefits of ReactNative. ReactNative takes less development time than other frameworks. There are lots of third-party components available to be used. ReactNative is based on JavaScript, which gives you the access to the largest package system. The community for ReactNative is growing rapidly. With ReactNative, you can reuse the same code base for multiple platforms. Also, ReactNative comes with hot reloads. Developing user interface is much more simpler than the native development. In terms of business, this means you can develop applications faster and cheaper. Just like benefits, there are some downsides of the ReactNative. The framework is still in beta. Despite being 5 years old, the framework still lacks some component and some of the components are still underdeveloped. Some degree of native development is still required to get core functionalities of Android or iOS. Indeed, ReactNative is better and unique than other similar platforms. All in all, it's a win-win game for the organizations that want to satisfy their customer with a tight budget. That's all for today. See you in our next video. Thank you.